These gentlemen, it's Friday, August 31st. They've been out here every morning this week. One morning, Monday, around 6 a.m. Now, they start at 7 a.m. the other 4 days of the week, jackhammering because it's too hot. Not get it all done in one day, get it done in 2 days, and get done, but all 5 days this week they've been jackhammering at 6 or 7 o'clock. And what they've done here is 3, maybe 4 little stretches that they've done for some reason in 5 days. Not one big stretch. That first stretch, you can see where that truck's sitting on it. Probably shouldn't be if that concrete's not cured, but they're sitting on that. That was 2 days worth. Could have probably been done in one. Town of Normal at its best. Called and talked to the town administrator, Wayne Aldrich, and he said, oh, that shouldn't happen at 6 o'clock on Monday. Great. But 7 o'clock every morning this week. What in the hell is going on, guys? Why are you doing this?